Welcome to Learn Chinese with 小张. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to count tens in Chinese. It's very simple. You only need to add 10, 10, after the numbers from 2 to 9 to make them 20 to 90. Now, read after me. 10, 10, 10. 20, 20, 20. 30, 30, 30. 40, 40, 40. 50, 50, 50. 60, 60, 60. 70, 70, 70. 80, 80, 80. 90, 90, 90. Now, pay attention to the difference between the numbers from 11 to 19 and the tens. The only difference is whether the character 10, 10, has been placed before the numbers from 1 to 9 or after. Read after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Next lesson, we will learn how to make any number between 0 and 99.